Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is multiplying and raising to a power combinations. To understand this, let's look at some questions. The first one says simplify e to the power of negative 2, 3e to the power of negative 3, and to the power of negative 3. Here we see that e is raised to some powers and also 3. So what we'll do is we'll simplify this and make it a simplified answer. E to the power of 2, let's put it like this. Now this negative 3 over here belongs to both 3 and e. That is, it is to be distributed amongst the both the variable as well as the coefficient. So 3 to the power of negative 3, e to the power of negative 3 all to the power of negative 3. Now let's rewrite e to the power of negative 2, 3 to the power of negative 3. Let's solve this. Now when a power is raised to another power, that means these two numbers will be multiplied, never added. So always remember that when an exponent is raised to another exponent, those two exponents are multiplied. So here negative 3 times negative 3 becomes positive 9. So now here we see these two bases are same. So when bases are same, powers add up. So e to the power of negative 2 plus 9. I have 3 to the power of negative 3. Whenever I have a negative exponent in the numerator, it can be moved to the denominator and made positive. So this becomes e to the power of negative 2 plus 9 is positive 7. 3 to the power 3 is 3 multiplied 3 times, that is 3 times 3 times 3, which is nothing but e to the power of 7 divided by 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So e to the power of 7 divided by 27 becomes our final answer, which matches to option D. Let's look at further more examples to make it easier. M to the power of 5 times 4 to the power of 2. Here we see 4 is raised to the power 2, so we simplify this. M to the power of 5 will remain as it is. 4 to the power of 2 becomes 4 times 4, which is m to the power of 5 times 16, or 16m to the power of 5 is the final answer, which matches to option B. Let's look at another example. 3d to the power of 3 times d to the power of 2. Now here we see two similar bases, so when bases are same, powers add up. 3 plus 2, this is equals to 3d to the power of 5. This becomes the final answer, which matches to option C. Let's try another example. Simplify v to the power of negative 3, x to the power of negative 3, v x to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 2. Now let's solve this portion first. We will distribute this exponent 2 amongst both v and x. So v to the power of negative 3 times x to the power of negative 3, v squared, x squared to the power of 2. This has been distributed among both the terms. So here we see this is v to the power of negative 3, x to the power of negative 3, v squared. Again we multiply the two exponents, do not add. So x to the power of 4. Now similar bases are v to the power of minus 3 plus 2, x to the power of negative 3 plus 4. So this becomes v to the power of negative 1 times x to the power of 1. Now v has a negative exponent. This can be fixed by moving to the denominator. X remains on the top while v goes to the denominator. So x over v becomes the final answer, which matches to option C. I hope multiplying and raising to a power combination is easy. Thank you and bye bye.